Welcome back. Today we're diving deep into something truly exciting, a next-generation off-road machine that blends rugged capability with modern luxury, the new 2027 4x4 camper built with inspiration from both Toyota engineering reliability and Ford's aggressive performance DNA. This is not just a vehicle, it's a complete overland lifestyle on wheels, designed for those who want to go beyond the road and stay there in absolute comfort. From the very first look, this 2027 4x4 camper demands attention. The exterior design is bold, muscular, and purpose-built. You've got a high ground clearance that instantly tells you this machine is ready for serious terrain. The front fascia features a massive reinforced grille with integrated LED matrix headlights that adapt to terrain and visibility conditions in real time. The bumper is steel-plated with a built-in winch system, recovery hooks, and skid plates underneath to protect vital components when you're crawling over rocks or cutting through uneven landscapes. Moving along the sides, the body is constructed using a mix of lightweight aluminum and high-strength composite panels. This not only improves durability but also keeps the overall weight balanced, which is critical for off-road performance. You'll notice oversized all-terrain tires mounted on beadlock wheels, paired with an advanced adaptive suspension system that automatically adjusts depending on terrain, whether you're on sand, mud, snow, or rocky trails. Now let's talk about what's under the hood, because this is where the beast really comes alive. The 2027 model is expected to feature a hybrid twin-turbo diesel engine combined with an electric assist system. This setup delivers massive torque at low RPM, which is exactly what you need for off-roading. We're talking about smooth crawling over obstacles without stressing the engine. The electric motor also provides instant torque when needed, plus improved fuel efficiency for long expeditions. The drivetrain is. Welcome back. Today we're diving deep into something truly exciting, a future-forward machine that blends rugged capability with next-level innovation, a new generation 4x4 camper concept inspired by icons like the Toyota Land Cruiser and the ever-evolving Ford F-150. Right from the first look, this machine feels like it belongs in the future. The stance is wide, planted, and aggressive, built on a reinforced ladder frame chassis engineered to handle both extreme off-road punishment and long-distance overlanding comfort. The body structure combines high-strength steel with lightweight aluminum, creating the perfect balance between toughness and efficiency. This means better fuel economy, improved handling, and higher payload capacity without sacrificing durability. As you slowly walk around it, every angle reveals purpose. The front fascia carries a bold and commanding grille, flanked by ultra-modern LED matrix headlights that adapt to terrain and lighting conditions. Aerodynamic sculpting flows across the body, not just for looks but to improve airflow and reduce drag, something rarely prioritized